see all the cats.
It's on my iPhone.
You to go to the dump?
Got one bag of trash.
I know.
Why don't you turn off the radio?
No, I'm excited.
Oh.
Camera. I'll later. I'm just... So for household garbage and small dead animals, 25 pounds or less in plastic bags only. Do not deposit furniture, appliances, tree trunks, auto parts, tires, lumber, or scrap. No burned materials, no hazardous commercial or industrial waste. Absolutely no loitering or escaping allowed. Violars will be prosecuted. I can't read, I'll admit it. Who would want to loiter around here? Who would want to sell stuff at a dump? Not me.
Me either.
What do you guys sell? Corn?
Intersection.
I noticed her vehicle and her white hair and heaviness. No offense to heavy people.